Hey, what's going on, everybody? Just wanted to do a little update for me and the real estate market on a personal level. Been loving summer, love this heat. I feel like I'm a better person during the warmer months. I've been down to Arizona to hang out with my brother down there. We like to play golf. There was an event where they opened up a couple of high-end golf courses up in Payson that only open to the public once a year. We've done that the last couple of years. We got to do that again. And then I just got back from Wyoming. My buddy's wife runs a nonprofit up there that helps at-risk children get access to mental health care and just resources that help them get through their schooling years. And so it's kind of fun to go up there and play fun golf with my buddies and then raise a bunch of money for kids that need some help. So that was awesome. If you receive my letters that I send out, you'll know that I moved out of my office this year. So that's kind of been a big change for the company. So I am working out of my house, which has been a little bit uncomfortable, but it's a new challenge for me. And then I brought on a director of sales and marketing to help me get out of this wheelhouse of only doing referral and word of mouth business. We're trying to do more outreach. If you've been following me on social media, you'll see that I'm doing a lot more videos, getting way outside my comfort zone. Even this is outside my comfort zone, but just trying to do more business and help more people buy and sell homes. As far as the El Paso County real estate market, if you've been watching these videos in the past, you'll know that it's been low inventory, high buyer demand, prices are skyrocketing, and sellers have been pretty inflexible with what they're willing to negotiate. Coming into July, we started to see the number of active listings tick up a little bit. It's been 500, 600, 700 houses on the market at any given time. We're now at like 1,243, that was today. And then the last 30 days worth of sales have been in the 800 range, so we're up to about a month and a half worth of inventory, which means it's still seller friendly, but it's slowing down. So we've got still pretty high interest rates. They're kind of hovering around the 7s, and I think that's curbing demand a little bit. Everybody that I'm listening to and hearing from, as far as experts in the mortgage industry, they're expecting rates to come down towards the end of the year. And if we do get under 6% on like a national average, I think that's going to spur a lot of buyer activity, and some of these listings are going to get a whole lot more competitive again. So if you've been on the fence about buying a home, now would be a really good time where there's this lull in the market where you can negotiate lower purchase prices, you can negotiate fixes during inspections. Even though the rates are high, it really is a good time to buy because these listings are just not as competitive as they've been. And towards the end of the year, I think it's going to ramp back up. If you have any questions about the Colorado Springs real estate market, or if you're up in Monument, I do work up there as well. But feel free to reach out, reply to this email. Yeah, so if you follow me on social, feel free to like some of my stuff, share some of my stuff, comment. That all kind of helps me. Like I said, I'm trying to expand the amount of business that I do and just be able to help more people. If you do engage with my stuff on social, that helps me quite a bit, and I would really appreciate that. If you're ever in the market for buying or selling a home, I would love to help you. Let me know what I would need to do to get your business and earn your trust. So I appreciate you guys watching all this. I appreciate you staying up to date with what I'm up to. But yeah, let me know how I can help you. And keep checking these emails for El Paso County real estate market updates. Thank you guys so much.
Perfect. I think that was. See you in your inbox next week.
I will see you in your inbox next week. That feels creepy. Oh, stuffing things. Facts and figures. Recording?
Oh, now we're recording.
It's not starting now. She sells seashells down by the seashore.
That makes no sense. It's not.
You make no sense.
It's
Sally sells seashores down by the seashells.
No, see, you can't do it. Look here.
Look. Should I do the market update in characters?
Yes.
We have 1,200 active listings.
Now do Hans.
We have something super cool, like 1,243 active listings. I'm thinking that's 1 month or 1.5 months of inventory.
And one.
We have anywhere from 1,200 to 1,300 active existing listings on the multiple listing service. That represents about 1.5 months worth of inventory. Go for Patrick. You've got Manchester. Talk to me. You were recording. That was the ding. Like,